10,000 is a fun dice game where players try to score points by rolling winning combinations. Start by choosing one player to go first. Then, that player rolls 6 dice. 1s are worth 100 points, 5s are worth 50 points, and a 3 of a kind is worth 100 times the number on the dice, except if it's 3 1s, which is worth 1,000 points. A 4 of a kind is worth 200 times the number on the dice. A 5 of a kind is worth 400 times the number on the dice, and a 6 of a kind is worth 800 times the number on the dice. You can also score 1,500 points by rolling a straight, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 3 pairs are worth 1,500 points. The winning combinations only count when they're made on a single roll. After a player rolls, they can add the total they rolled to their score and end their turn. Or, they can try rolling again to earn more points. In order to roll again, a player must set aside at least 1 scoring dice from their first roll. Any points they don't set aside will be lost when they re-roll. Players can keep re-rolling as long as they set at least 1 scoring dice aside after each roll. If a player rolls and doesn't score any points, all of their points for that turn are lost, and their turn is over. Then, the player to their left rolls. Players keep rolling and passing around the dice until one player reaches 10,000 points first and wins.